Andrew wanted one book read.
You don't want
Already.
a short one? You want a long train, huh?
But he's all, right now he's in our sitting train.
I want a long one.
He's,
You want a long one?
okay, here.
I want a long train.
Here.
I want a long
Hey, Corinne. You too. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Yes, we bought them all. He hasn't really looked at the books yet, but we will. I like the bathtub one. That's pretty funny. Yeah.
Choo-choo.
Yeah.
Go
Yes.
slow, there you go.
Oh yeah, it's
Over the
fine.
bridge.
You know,
Whoa!
to me it's like any other day. So.
Hey, Andrew,
I'm
Andrew.
just kidding.
Hey, here, we'll fix it, okay? Here, we'll fix it.
He's very upset right now because his choo-choos fell over. He
We'll
gets
fix it,
frustrated
Andrew.
when his little choo-choos tip over.
Andrew. You tried to
Okay,
go
bye.
too
We'll see you
fast.
soon. Corinne wants to talk to you some more.
Okay, Andrew, come on.
Grandpa, help fix it.
There we go.
I want to do it.
He's very determined. He wants to do it.
I want to do it.
And he's here. It comes in. It's too steep.
Yeah.
Too flimsy. Well,
Yeah, it's too long.
well,
He wants it to be
well,
long. So.
you have to be here to see it. It's hard to explain it. It's the way they got constructed right now. But Andrew's very patient.